First finals of the semester. Shopping for Cole though. Look at all that. Oh, hello. 1785. Good morning guys and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 18. It is currently 7:30 in the morning and I'm about to head to school to take my first finals of the semester. Like I said in yesterday's vlog, today I'll be taking my math final and my history final, and then I get to leave school at 12:30. The reason that both of these are really important is just because these are like hard subjects for me and I have an 86 in both of the classes, so we could go down to a low B or we could go up to a higher B. I did both my study guides, which I don't know if those are like grades or whatever. We'll see. I probably will get my grade back for both finals today after I take them, which is so scary. I'm not gonna let that affect me because grades don't define you. Although they are important, I know that grades are not the sole reason and define who I am. So if I failed the final, I failed the final. You know what? You live and you learn. I'm not gonna be bringing my camera to school because we don't take backpacks today. I'm just bringing my study guides, a pencil, and my phone, and that's it. We have 2 hours in each class per final, so I'll be in math class for 2 hours and then world history for 2 hours. So like I said, I'm not going to be bringing the camera just because I don't have a place to put it. I don't want to put it. I just want to be solely focused on this. And then who knows, maybe I'll hang out with someone after school. Maybe I'll do nothing. Maybe I'll come home and take a nap. Wish me luck. I'm going to go upstairs and eat a healthy breakfast. Hi guys, so finals are over and I'm with Cole and it's 30 degrees outside right now and we're walking to Zaxby's. It's really cold, but we're going to Zaxby's and then I'm going home with Cole. Finals weren't that bad. History was so hard.
I think I did good, but I always say that and then I get 68 on everything.
It was 75 multiple choice questions and 2 writing like things and it was so hard. We're gonna get our grades today though, so I'm vlogging on my phone because my camera's at home.
We might go Christmas shopping with my mother.
Fun!
I'm skinny.
Look at all that.
We ate Zaxby's and there's a dog looking at
I was just about to say that. We just finished eating Zaxby's and Cole and I got 2 4-piece meals.
So bringing home our brother Carter.
We didn't eat any. I ate 2 and he ate 2. So we're bringing home a whole 4-piece for Carter. But there's a little poopy. It's a poopy. Hello. So we got to Cole's house and we just sorted through all of his clothes because Cole has a tendency to keep clothes that don't fit. We are currently going to go to Plato's Closet, which is a consignment store, and he's going to sell his clothes and then buy some new stuff.
Imagine if you dig up all the text that they send us and we'll probably have so many discounts.
They text us all the time.
Keep the chain, pop it.
He's an e-boy. We're going to go sell his clothes at Plato's Closet and then buy some more, and maybe I'll get some. He made it and I have one of Cole's bags and he has the other one and we're hopefully gonna get him some money. I think he's gonna make like $60 or $70. How much? He said he thinks he can make 26, so we'll see how much. They said it was gonna take 30 minutes to go through his clothes, so we have 30 minutes just to look around, and so we're gonna see if we can find Cole and I clothes.
No, Cole clothes.
We're shopping, but there's really not that much. They're going through Cole's clothes right now, so we have no idea how much money he's gonna make. I'm not really finding anything here. Like Cole found, I found 2 things for Cole, but nothing for myself, which is a-okay because I don't need any new clothes. I found Cole a few things. We're still sorting through his items though, and we're still shopping. I said it's supposed to take like 30 minutes, so I don't know how much longer we have. There really is not a lot of cute girls like winter stuff because obviously you don't need summer stuff. I'm in dire need of pants and long sleeves and jackets. That's pretty much it, but I'm not finding anything, which is totally cool. Shopping for Cole though, so the clothes are ready and we're gonna see how much money he made. I think he made $60. That's my guess. Yeah, it said his clothes are ready to be picked up too.
We can take everything in this bin right here, and we can offer you $17.85. We just have to pass and make sure some staining, and we don't take any kid sizes.
Made $17. How do you feel?
No, I'm losing money now.
Success or no?
Yes.
What are we gonna do now?
We're gonna go home. I have all my clothes back pretty much. Besides, like what, 4 shirts?
They said they couldn't take kid sizes. I think they took like 4 shirts, a shorts, and a sweat pants.
Dad, we found a $2 jacket, $200 jacket in there for $50.
It's design or something. We are outside now. I'm wearing Cole's sweatshirt because it is so cold out. He's trying to teach me how to play spike ball. Is it called spike ball? Baseball. Oh, no, you had a special name for the ball. Blitz ball. My bad. Go ahead. Don't hit me! I thought you were gonna hit me. It's 6:15 and I'm now back at my house, home from Kohl's, and I had a super relaxing, chill, fun day with him. But now it is time to grind for finals tomorrow. Fortunately, I only have one final tomorrow, and that will be my science one, which should not be too hard. I have a 90 in the class, meaning I have to get an A on the final for my grade to stay an A, but if I get anything less than an A, then it'll go down to a B, which would actually suck, but like, I'm just preparing for it to happen. I got both my grades back for my finals like I said I would. To be honest, I didn't do too great on all of them, but my grades literally stayed the same. I'm gonna tell you guys this because I don't really care and because grades don't define you, like I said. In my math class before I took my final, I had an 85.7, I think. I took my final and I got a 77, and now my grade is an 84.3. So it went down 1 point, or like 2-ish, because I guess it was rounded up. And then in my history, I took the test. I had an 86, and then I took the test and I got a 78, and it brought me down to an 85. I'm a-okay with that, straight chillin'. Now I just need to work on science, and I think I'll be totally fine. Edit this vlog, and I don't know what else is gonna happen. Guess what time it is? It's advent calendar time, and I actually just changed into my cow onesie like 30 minutes ago. I also took a shower, but I didn't wash my hair because it's clean. I washed it yesterday. I took a shower, I ate some dinner, I edited this vlogmas already, and now we're gonna open the advent calendar. I'm also filming this on my phone because I just don't want to export the footage off my camera. You know, iPhone quality has gotten really good, so hopefully it's not that bad. This is what happens when you vlog every single day for 18 days straight. I remember when I used to film on my phone. Has anyone been subscribed for that long? I used to film on my phone all the time. Day 18, where's she at? Do we think it's gummies? Is anyone surprised? Oh my goodness, I didn't know it tells you what you could get on the back. I've never looked at the back of the advent calendar. Wow. So I just had a little like business meeting with my dad because we are planning on some big things coming for y'all. And let's just say I'm extremely excited about it and where it's going and where it's headed. I keep dropping these little teasers, so if y'all have been picking up on it, then there's big and exciting things happening, and it's coming a lot sooner than you'll think, so I'll just leave it at that. I know this vlog was also kind of short, but I feel like there was a lot more content than yesterday's vlog, so hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I'm just gonna study for finals right now, get this video up. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you had an amazing day, and I hope your finals or midterms or whatever you call it are going just as well. I will see you guys tomorrow for vlogmas day 19, which is crazy. Y'all, a week from today is Christmas. Tell me how a week from today is Santa Claus is coming to town. It's in the Middle East.